Okay, so common mistakes on ads. Okay, now most people believe that when your Google Ads does not work is the common challenge that they seem to face. So if someone, draw a little microscope here, is looking, maybe a little eye, someone's looking for a problem, i.e. a solution to their problem, they often go to Google or Bing as a search engine. Okay, so they'll do a Google search or a Bing search, and they will type in certain words that they're facing at the moment, so how to, or product, or pain, or back pain, local chiropractor, whatever it may be. If you're a SaaS product, they'll often be looking for sales CRM to help, IT companies or whatever it may be. Now, what usually happens is you'll get, if you're running Google Ads at the moment and you're getting ads at the top of Google, so let's get rid of this here just to save space. Okay, so if you're running and you're being found at the top of Google, so this is on a desktop obviously for reasons, this is the map, but if you're being found here, well done, congratulations. Now the challenge is, if you're getting clicks to those ads, okay, and they come to a website, okay, and then what usually happens is people land on your website and then bounce off. So it's called a bounce rate. Now, there's a thing in Google and search as a whole, as a mathematician, it's called a click-through rate. So people that see this ad and actually click on it, it's called a click-through rate. So CTR, okay, and it's called a click-through rate. What we're looking at here is a sales rate. So here, it should be selling and influencing decisions. Most websites I see in the review stage, it tells, not sells. So it's very informative, but there's no calls to action. There's minimal calls to action, and it's more of a telling website. So we often call it a brochure website. So if you would like to get this fixed, what you need to do is look at the words on the website. Words on the, before the, so words on the website, words on the ads, web, okay. So looking at the reverse engineering the web, the journey now. So someone's done a Google search here, click. Someone's seen your ad, click. Someone's come to the website but not made an inquiry. Now, if this click-through rate is over 2%, you're doing a great job. In fact, you're doing it, I'd almost say, a brilliant job. Where the challenge usually is this area here. Okay, so it's getting a bit messy now. What you need to do is also understand that remarketing comes into play. So let's draw that journey out again, a little bit basic now. So someone's seen your ad on the Google ad. They've come to your website, but they've bounced. You've also got to understand that there's an opportunity to remarket to somebody. So that's where they start seeing your ads on, I don't know, the local newspaper website. So this is all online. You got I don't know, CNN's quite popular. You've got the Daily Mail. Can't spell. You've got the Telegraph across the UK. You got the Washington News and all that sort of thing in the US. But you got over 2 million websites that you can go to. So someone's come to your website. They've what they call bounce, so they've disappeared. You've spent money to get people to this website. Okay. If that's you at the moment, if you're getting 2% and you're not getting any leads or inquiries, then I'd invite you to have a chat with us and sort of go through this review stage where we'll look at your whole journey and map out an opportunity where we can also add, in addition, remarketing, because you know it takes about anything from 5 to 15 touch points over a 21-day period to get an inquiry. So if this is you, then click on the link below in the description box, and what we'll do is we'll set up a call where we'll go through the whole of this process, and we'll fix and we'll plug the gaps in here, so when people come to the website it works. That's essentially what we help you do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's only a very snapshot, really, because we get a lot of people saying, oh, Google Ads doesn't work. Google Ads does work. You've just got to work on the journey. And this is a science, not fancy pants art stuff. This is a science. So we've got experience to do that. We've got the full experience of a full team here to help you do that. So click the link below. It'll be a free appointment where we can sort of sit down with you over a Zoom call, go through your campaign, see where we can help you, and you can either leave it at that and go away on your merry way, or go, I'd like the marketing people to help me do it. All right, so fantastic. All right, take care. Have a great day.